Hello everyone and welcome back to CJ Explores. As you can see, we are on a boat. We're on Lake Argyle and we are taking a barbecue pontoon out for Lake Argyle cruises, and we have a lot to explore, so let's go.
We are just here at the moment in this cove, just next to the beginning of the Old River, right? So we talk about 72k by 44k on full level, which is about 19 Sydney Harbour, okay? So basically the top north area just right there is gonna be your playground for this afternoon, okay? And that's gonna be the rest of Lake Argyle, okay?
We have just taken a little ride out to the open area away from where we set off. And we're going to go over to an island. We have a map of where we can go and explore, and there seems there's actually quite a big area we can go and explore. But this lake is massive and we're just doing a small part. But right now we're going to go find somewhere to anchor up, well not more, and we're going to go and have some lunch because we have a barbecue and an esky full of food.
What have you seen, Charlotte?
There's a freshwater crocodile just there, very close to us. We're going to let him chill there for a bit.
We have come out to as far as they recommend us go in a barbecue pontoon, but it is a massive opening, a huge expanse, and it is just dead still out here. There is no noise. There is no waves. The only waves I can see are being made by us as we move around the boat. It's just like glass. We've got some beautiful shots, reflections of the boat, and the whole landscape around is just incredible.
That was amazing, but it's also a little bit scary. Being somewhere so quiet that you can literally just hear the buzzing of a fly or the wings of a bird nearby flapping. It is so surreal, like it's scarily beautiful, like it's amazing, but also feels like it's weird, like dystopian
haunting
land. Yeah, because it's very rare you go somewhere you just don't hear, you know, people or construction or even like more sounds of nature, like more birds. It's crazy.
Out here there is actually no place to moor, so I think we need to go back around there. To, is it Croc Cove or Jump Rock? I think to Jump Rock, and that's where we're going to have some lunch, I think.
There are buoys along somewhere in some spots in the lake, and you can just kind of moor up to them. And we're going to moor up at this nice little spot right in the middle.
Yeah, we can see the dam.
We can see the dam. We have this beautiful 360 view, and we're going to make some lunch, finally. The company provides a beautiful little box for us to prepare our food, but we have some veggie sausages.
Bring your own lunch.
Yeah, BYO lunch, barbecue. We are starving. We've been saying that all day, but you wake up so early here. The sunrise at the moment is just after 5 a.m, so waking up about 5:30 in our tanks, it starts to heat up. We can cook from the inside. Now it's probably, I think it's around 2:30, and we've not had lunch. So it's sausage sizzle time.
So when you hire a boat with Lake Argyle Cruises, you get these amenities. You get a barbecue, you have a toilet on board, you also get an esky, you can have some ice in there, you can put food and drinks and everything in there, and they teach you how to operate the boat, which something that we have never done before, but both Charlotte and I have been doing it successfully today. You also get some pool noodles, and you can just anchor up anywhere or just swim anywhere. As long as you're not going to bang into any rocks or run over any Crocs, another thing to remember, you should be okay. But yeah, it's been pretty easy learning curve for us, and we're just enjoying the serenity of this lake. It's just so beautiful. We just feel so lucky to be out here, don't we, Shaz?
We do, it's amazing. We have our lunch, a lovely sausage avocado, veggie sausage avocado sandwich. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna go sit in a tiny spot of shade and eat it.
So when you are moored up at one of the buoys out on the lake, you are able to jump in the water. There are crocodiles out there, but they're only freshies. Bye. Permission to come aboard. Woo, beautiful. Not very cold, it's quite warm.
I think it was 31 degrees.
Oh wow. Okay, we have just chucked the boat into neutral because we have seen, I think it might be one of these cross species of wallaby and kangaroo.
They are a cross between a wallaby and kangaroo, and they've been on there for 60 years, the same family. They left them there when they built the lake and the dam wall, and they wanted to see if they would survive, and they have. They can't swim, but they have survived on the island. I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous to go in the water, but I really want to.
Go! How's the water?
It's absolutely beautiful. The temperature is amazing.
It's so clear.
But I can't help but being a little bit scared. Sunset swim was beautiful. It's the perfect temperature for swimming. I want to go back in, but I really am nervous of the freshies. I know they don't really attack people, but still, I don't want to jump on one. And it's gone past 4 o'clock. This is the time when they appear, they said. So I'm nervous.
Dun, dun, dun.
Doo-doo-doo.
Por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando lo encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar.
We have just woken up at Lake Argyle and look at this view. We're staying at the Lake Argyle Caravan Park and we've just watched the sunrise come up over the infinity pool overlooking Lake Argyle. It's so beautiful here.
Ahora con quién voy a compartir todas mis noches húmedas. Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás. Tú amabas a Nico pero nunca a Nicolás. Tú eras la oveja mala del rebaño.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that vlog. We're wrapping up our time here on Lake Argyle, but we have had an absolute blast as you can see. If you do come to Lake Argyle, we highly recommend coming out here with Lake Argyle Cruises and having a go on their awesome barbecue boats. You can spend a whole day out here or you can do a half-day tour. The other thing that you should do is check out the Lake Argyle Caravan Park. Their infinity pool is something not to be missed.
Como eso de serme fiel, el día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? lo que quiero olvidar. Tú fuiste